Hello and welcome again to Quick Videos for Learners in a Hurry. Today I'm going to show you how to search a small access database by entering criteria in the design fields. There's nothing scary here, it's very simple. What you can see here is a small database. There are 5 records. These are fictitious names of salespeople, the date they started their employment, where they're based, their performance over the period of 5 weeks, and the bonus that they had, the bonus they'd won for their performance over those 5 weeks. So let's quickly get on with it. On the Home tab, I'm going to go into Design View by clicking the View tab and choosing Design View, and you can see how I've designed the table. We've got the fields. The name is text, date started is date and time, location text, the weeks are just numbers, the numbers that they achieved, and the bonus is currency. Now it's important that these are correct before you start searching or entering criteria, searching or ordering, because for example if you try to search for a particular date and you don't have it set to date time, perhaps you've got it set to text, it's just not going to work for you. So let's make sure that it's set to date and time. I'll just save that again and go back to the design view. So how do we search the database? Well, we do it by creating a query. So click on Create, Query Wizard, click OK for Simple Query Wizard. We're basing this on the table, the sales table. It's the only table in the database, but make sure that if you've got more than one table that it's selected in there. And I'm going to use all of the fields, so I'll click these 2 arrows. All the fields come onto the right hand side, click Next and Finish. You can see in the left hand column here we now have the query. So I'll close the table so that we're not confused by that, so that one of the sales query is open. At the moment it's a duplicate of the table. It's queried the table and returned every record and every field. Now let's go into the design view of this query and put some criteria in. So back to the Home tab, click View, choose Design View, and you can see we have, move this down, you can see that we have the fields, and this row here, criteria, obviously shows us where we put our search criteria. So for example, if we wanted to search this database for somebody who'd started with this company on or after the 29th of August 2011, in the date started column, in the quick criteria row, we'd simply put greater than, equals to, and the date. The date I chose there was the 29th of August in 2011. Now if I move this up so you can see, if I click the Run button here, the query has been run, and as you can see each of these dates is equal to or greater than the 29th of August 2011. So in fact they're one on the exact date and 2 after that date. Let's go back and have a look at that again in Design View. Because we're not restricted to put in one set of criteria, perhaps we wanted to know who started on that particular date with a particular bonus. So let's put criteria in for the bonus, and let's say we want somebody who's gained a bonus greater than £40. So greater than 40. Move this back up here so that you can see. I'll click the Run button, and we have one person in the sales team that's got a bonus of greater than £40 and has been employed on a date greater or equal to the 29th of August 2011. So it's as easy as that to create to put criteria in. Let's take that criteria back out again. And I'll run the query, and you can see that all the records are now displayed again because the criteria has been taken out. What if we didn't want to search the database but simply wanted to order it. Well, we have a field here, the sort field. So if we want to sort the query by a particular column, we'll go into design view again, view, design view, and say we want this in order of the name. Choose the sort row, choose ascending. Let's not do that, it's too simple, isn't it? Let's leave that unsorted and go in ascending order or descending order of the bonus. You see that? We're on the sort row, descending order of the bonus. Run the query, and there we are, they're in descending order of the bonus. And that's it for today. Thank you very much.